Hi folks, right, this is it. I'm going to show you how we do featherboard fencing double O, the way I do it and like to do it. These are the sections that we made earlier, right, and they're going out to the job tomorrow in Presswick, right. Now what I've done is this, I've already screwed and corrugated this, right, so I'll quickly show you this with the corrugated bin, right. These corrugated fasteners are brilliant, right. Now, we get 5×90 screws and we double screw that, right. There, I'll just I've already kind of pre-made this one. Hello! Yeah, that's it, that's double screwed too, that's been done earlier on, right. So I'm going to go here to the compressor, I don't want it to come on and make no further noise. Right. The idea of these sections is this. You get the bits of wood there, the great thing using templates, wee jigs like this, right? If you get this here, right, and mark down. So these are the 30-inch high sections, right? Now, right there, so that's featherboard there, right? Now, this is just to hold it to show you. Right, there we go, right, now. We're also doing 3 feet sections, 3 feet 90 or 900, and that's for those which we made there, and they get in here like that there, and then you set it up with your corrugated fasteners, then you've got 2 5×90 screws, so that's 2 4 6 screws, and yet again the fasteners. And if you look here, I'll just show you these fasteners are, they're great wee things, they join it together there, and they come out the bustage one, that's a great bit of kit, right? You put the post in the ground, concrete them, screw that in with 6×100 screws into the post, which is concrete to the ground. It minimises the gap between the wall. So if that's the brick, the wall there, and the post is there, you'll see later in the weekend when I do the video the finished job, and it's self-explanatory, and how it makes it aesthetically more professional. And then we put the cap and rail on it. These are the boards here that we use. I use 1/2-inch boards, right? You can imagine them overlapped. These are the 3 feet boards, so they're too big for this, they're for the sections there. And we have an inch overhang there, so that's there, the cap and rail. And we nails, we screw them with the nail gun, and it's a good featherboard fence. You'll see that tomorrow, or Sunday, most likely when the time this job finished, right? And that's what it's all about, trying to learn everybody about fencing, the pros and cons, and the easy ways to do it. These silly bits of wood are disposable. So you don't need to go out and buy them, just any scrap, after the old fence that you're taking down, you can keep it. As long as you make them all the same, and they fit in, well there's the wrong ones, I've done that wrong, there's the right ones there, and they all fit in, and you've a square corner, and I'll show you later how to do a square outside, that you can do that outside, but you must have a chop saw too, but as the videos roll out, you'll learn more and more for the WSH fence. I'm going to say hello to James Powrie there. Now James sent me a message and he's wanting to know how to do the Wullie Hogg weave. So I haven't got a weave fence lined up now. The first weave fence I'm going to do a video, I'm going to explain to James and I'll use how I get my weave and how I set it up, and from start to finish with the weave, and then let's see if you can tackle that too, because it's easy once you do, you're shown the right way to do it, and once you do it once, it's like going to bite, you never forget. So there you go. That's yet again another video for the mighty WSH fencing. I feel a picture frame here looking through. But this job's going to look smart, and then you will want to say, well I want to do it like that. And that's what it's all about. Self-confidence in yourself to do the job yourself. And you will be able to do it, by the way folks. So catch you all later. Spread this video, spread it about, and let everybody know the mighty WSH fencing's on the march with the fencing. Okay folks, see you later.